If you're quick, you might see something escaping out the top of my kettle, and it might have today's sound, E, swim in the sea. Now, most of my class will know that one of my favourite things to do is to drink tea. So I'm making myself a cup of tea, and just finishing off, coming out the top is some steam. So I'm going to carry on making my favourite thing of a nice cup of tea. I wonder if I can sound that out while I'm making it. Tea. And if I just pop the milk in while we wait for the tea bag to brew, I'm going to have a go at trying to write the word tea. So over on my whiteboard, I've got the E digraph here ready to help me. And I know T is a brave monkey letter. Down, bump, flick, push a line across. T. Tea. I'm going to have a nice cup of tea. I also think, because I've got my nice cup of tea, I might have a treat. And my treats today, I went to the cupboard and I think they knew which sound we were going to learn, and Jerry helped me pick them out. Now, you might be able to see on here, there are some writing. You might see what name this biscuit's called, but if not, I've got it on the packet there. I'm going to have a rich tea. That's got our E phoneme. And the other biscuit that we're going to have today, again, you might just see it, is a custard custard cream. One rich tea biscuit and a custard cream for my treats. Hi Jerry, we've come outside today for our learning, haven't we? Ah, Jerry said it's to do with the sound we're learning today. I wonder if you can guess what it could be. We know that this week's sound is E, swim in the sea. I'm not at the sea, Jerry, I'm not at the beach. Oh, it's to do with what we were doing. We were, let's see if we can work out the word with the children at home. Read. That's it, Jerry. We were reading. I wonder what we were reading today. Let's see if the children at home can find our sound in the book that we are reading today. Where were we reading? Let's have a look. Where were we sat doing our reading today? We were sat on, let's see if we can sound it out, on the seat. We had a read on the seat. Oh, Jerry wants to go on more adventures. So Jerry and I have come to the next place for our adventure, and we're still thinking about the sound E, swim in the sea. I'm wondering, why have we come to stand here, Jerry? Ah, can the children guess where we are? So I can see, oh, there's some water. Well, I'm not at the beach, so it's not the sea. Lake, but that doesn't have E, swim in the sea. I'm stood by the stream. The word is stream. So Jerry and I are going to try and write the word stream. Okay, so we're still by the stream and we're going to try and write that word using today's digraph, E, swim in the sea. So I know it's going to be stra. Now it's got a tricky bit there. We've got t, st, r, and I know that's a scared monkey letter. Stra, E, st, r, e, m, stream. My class will know I have to work really hard on drawing this letter now. Our word is stream. Jerry and I are by the stream. So Jerry and I are out doing part of our science learning, and Jerry's noticed something about one of the things on our sheet that helps us with our leaves. L, E, F, leaf. There's our phoneme for today, leaf. Oh, Jerry, have you seen the weather today? It's such lovely weather. Have you remembered to protect yourself in the sun? I think you might need some sun cream. There we go. Jerry can be safe now with her sun cream. Jerry found something while we were still on our walk, and it was a sign that's got the grapheme for today in it. And I sounded it out. M-E-D-O. Meadow. No, I know the word is meadow. So although we're learning the E swim in the sea today, this digraph or these two letters can also make e. Can you do that again, Mr. Todd? Can you repeat it? Now, to stop Jerry drinking Mrs. Todd's tea, we're going to finish off by trying to read some words. So here's our sound E, swim in the sea. First word. L, E, st, least. Jerry has the least amount of sweets. Heap, heap. Eat, meat. Oh, now we had this one as earlier in our clip. Eat, repeat. And I think you should be able to know that one. If you're stuck, use the picture above to help you. Oh, this one's tricky just because sometimes we get our B's and D's confused. Remember, our B is in the jumper family and C is one of the abracadabra. D even is in the abracadabra family, so I know that one has to be D. And this one is B. B-E-D. Bead. We've seen this one already earlier in the clip. Okay, Jerry's going to carry on enjoying her tea. See you later. I've come to Oxford Owl and I'm just going to open up the bookshelf by clicking here. And then I've already typed in seagull, ready to search for the book, and you can see it's popped up here for me. So I'm going to open the book up. Things to point out that you can use this feature in the bottom left hand corner here to read the book to your child. So if you're busy working, it could be a way that your child can read the book independently. As you open the book up, there are some ideas of questions and things you could talk to your child about before reading, and you'll find the same icon at the end of the book. When we start to read with the children, we would look at this page first. So we would point out the names of the characters the children might meet and other keywords that they might need to know throughout the story. They can always turn back to the front page as they're reading to help them remember what those words say. As you're reading, again, there are little activities for the children to do, so you can click here on the pencil once they've read the page and it'll open this up Again, there is the option for the computer to read it to the child, so if you're working, this is something they could be doing independently. And this is an opportunity to practice that E phoneme that we've looked at in the video earlier on. So if I click the challenge.
Cat and Ant were having a fun day out at the beach.
So I need to pick out the sounds for beach. So I know it's B. I'm going to drag that one down. E, E. And we've learnt that one. And because it's got two letters making one sound, it goes in the same box. And the same for ch, two letters making one sound. Then I'm just going to click done. And quick. And I can go through the book and read the story. I might want to talk about new vocabulary for the child. I know, for example, at one point it talks about the word darted, the seagull darted down. Talk about, well, what does it mean? How could I show that with my hands? What other animals might dart down through the sky? When you've finished reading, you're going to get a map like this, a bit like the story map we did for home learning a couple of weeks ago with Peter Rabbit. You can encourage your child to retell the story here, using the pictures to help them. Again, there's an activity here, there's those support notes I mentioned, and here there's a little animation for the end of the book. I hope you enjoy the story. Bye!